Hello Daad community. Today I'm discussing about fast format delivery services in e-commerce referred to the rapidly evolving sectors of logistics focused on delivering products to customers as quickly as possible, often within the same day or even within hours of ordering. This trend is driven by consumer demand for immediate gratification and convenience of online shopping. Here is a detailed look. Key features of fast format delivery services. Speed. The primary feature is the promise of rapid delivery, with some services offering delivery within few hours of placing an order. Technology integration. These services often use advanced technology for logistics optimization, including the route planning and order tracking systems. Local fulfillment centers. To facilitate the quick delivery, businesses use local fulfillment centers that are closer to customers. This reduces the time between the order placement and the delivery. Importance in e-commerce in fast format delivery. Consumers' expectations. With the rise of service like Amazon Prime, consumers increasingly expect fast and efficient delivery options as a part of their online shopping experience. Competitive advantage. Offering the fast format delivery can be a significant competitive advantage for e-commerce businesses, helping to increase the customer satisfaction and loyalty. Influence on purchasing decisions. The availability of quick delivery options can influence the consumer purchasing decisions, with many preferring to shop from platforms that offer faster delivery. Challenges in fast format delivery. Logistical complexity. Implementing fast format delivery involves complex logistics requiring the efficient coordination and a robust delivery network. Cost. The cost of providing rapid delivery can be high, impacting the pricing of products and the overall profitability of the e-commerce businesses. Sustainability concerns. Fast deliveries can increase the carbon footprint, raising the concerns about the environmental impact of such services. Trends and innovations in fast format delivery. Use of drones and robots. Some companies are experimenting with drones and autonomous vehicles for deliveries, aiming to increase the efficiency and reduce the human labor costs. Crowdsourced delivery networks. Utilizing the local couriers or crowdsourced delivery personnel to expedite the shipping process is becoming more common. Integration with the local retailers. Partnering with the local retailers for faster fulfillment and leveraging their inventory for quick deliveries is a growing trend. Future prospects in fast format delivery. Continued growth. The demand for fast format delivery services is expected to continuously grow, driven by evolving consumer expectations. Technological advancements. Ongoing advancements in technology such as AI and machine learning are likely to further optimize and streamline the fast format delivery operations. Balancing the speed and the sustainability. There will be growing focus on making these services more environmentally sustainable while maintaining the speed and efficiency. In summary, fast format delivery services are transforming the e-commerce landscape by meeting consumer demands for quick and convenient delivery options, while they present logistical and sustainability challenges. Advancements in the technology and innovative delivery methods are continually shaping this dynamic sector. Thank you very much for watching us and the support. Kindly share our channel and videos, like and ask the questions in the comment section for our question and answer sessions.